People, what is up? Coming in at more than 80 pounds. It's not the cat. It is the Senada Saber Ebike. Look at this thing. Pretty excited. Yeah. Let's open the box. All right, as always, make sure to check out down below for the link for the price, specs, and you want to pick up your own Senada Saber e-bike. Just do it. All right, Jenny helped me tear the top of the box off, right?
I did.
All right, let's go ahead and take a peek together. Here we go. Rome. Look at this. The smell. What do you think? It smells good. It's like a mechanical, like leather, pleather.
Yeah, it's not necessarily new car. It's new bike smell.
It is like new bike smell. You're right. Yeah, look at this thing. Oh my gosh, look at the red on the wheels. Look at that. That is popping.
This packaging.
What a beautiful color. Yeah, let me show the people the packing. Look at this. Look at that. You were just trying to get that out. That's kind of wedged in there. Good. Okay. Okay. I like this because I have to be honest with you. The box was beat up a little bit from some rough transport on the other side. Let me show you. Yeah, so I was seeing this hole and I'm like getting all irritated, and then we got this one up there. I'm like, what is going on, FedEx? What? What are you doing with my Senada? But it looks like it's pretty awesome on the inside. They packed it so nice.
They did pack it nice.
I'm so excited. I'm
excited too.
I'm having the trouble talking. All right, first thing I'm going to show you is the battery charger right here, because once we find the battery, we're going to charge that sucker up, so you won't be seeing this anymore. But yeah, battery charger. All right, so just updating you on second thoughts, we went ahead and cut open the side of the box here to easier access the bike. I think this is the right way to do it.
I think this is the right way.
We're making progress now, people.
Assembly to begin soon, and they have sent us the owner's manual and it looks like some Allen wrenches. So let's get this started.
All right, so there is like a lot of foam that comes with the bike, so they do have it like wrapped up and protected quite well. So it's going to take you probably a good 5-10 minutes to get all that foam off of this thing, but man, it looks nice.
Here's our large pile of stockpile of foam and zip ties.
All right, so first thing that I was looking for these keys, and they had them like on one of the cables up here, and they were hidden by like some styrofoam. So I'm like, no, there's no keys, but yeah, there's keys on this puppy. So now, essentially, this is what it's looking like after it comes out of the box. We have to put on the pedals. We have to put on the handlebar. We have to put on the handlebar. And then we also have to put on the headlight and the front wheel. Is that pretty much it, John?
I think so.
I mean, this thing is like 95% put together. So, pretty easy. Should be. All right, this is how the other wheel comes. So, look at this color, though. I don't know. I mean, it's kind of dark in here, but this red is popping. I hadn't seen this color before on any of the videos on YouTube. And really hadn't seen much of the red one, but it's a beautiful color. I mean, it's really taking me back as soon as we're opening this thing up. It's like, wow. And it's got like these stripes on it right here. It looks nice. It's sharp. I like the red.
The battery is a 48 volt, 15 amp hour lithium battery. To remove the battery, you just need to put the key in, turn it, and the battery slides out from the top here. Here's a look at the battery connection and the battery itself.
All right, we're going to check the weight on the battery here. There it is, 10 pounds, 10 ounces.
So pretty much for the handlebars, what you needed to do is connect it here. They have these 4 bolts and you have your provided Allen wrenches to go ahead and secure that and tighten it down.
All right, after we had the handlebar in here, then we had to go into the stem here and kind of sync that up with the wheel, make sure it was nice and straight. Easy enough to do with, again, the included Allen wrench.
Next, we needed to assemble the fender and the headlight. It was all right in this one bolt, so you just had to take it off, slide the fender in, and you also attach the headlight. The fender does have 2 support brackets, which are attached right here as well.
That's the bolt right there that you needed to, you know, take care of. And the fender brackets, we're just attaching right here. Easy peasy.
The back was already assembled and tires inflated.
Nifty little light here on the back. Has a little switch right here on the side. Yeah. Included batteries.
The pedals will have a letter on them, so you know which side is which.
All right, here's our look at our front brakes right here. Moving into the back. We're rocking a Shimano 7-speed. Cool thing though, we have a kill switch as well. Yeah, there's the throttle. Get to all more of this later. The battery is also going to give you an indication when you hold down the button there of how full it is, how charged. Shock is adjustable. Adjustableness, indeed. We've got our 1,000-watt Bafang motor right there. The computer is nice and centrally located. We'll go over this again during our first ride, which will be coming up for you next. And here's some more controls.
This rack is heavy duty. You can definitely haul some stuff around on this rack. And the tires are 26-inch by 4 fat tire situations.
People, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it. That was a blast to unbox the Senada. Oh, the fun we are gonna have. Join us. The next video with this, we're gonna be taking it out. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean, people. Bye. All right, people, up front here we have the included light attached. And yeah, it's got some power to it. Light works. We'll show you more when we ride it. Almost forgot something. See that right there?